We're going to the place with the mud volcanoes.
Hey guys, it's Pam. From the mud volcanoes, we're going to the fire burning mountain, and it's in Yarnadagh. This is really cold, which is about 60 k's outside of Baku.
How am I gonna get this off my hand?
These small hills of mud erupt due to the gas pressure, and it's quite cold.
There's not a very high gas pressure, and there is so much gas. I mean natural gas. You can see natural phenomenon in 4 places in the world. This is one of them. Okay, in Russia, Kamchatka Island, in the USA, Wyoming, Yellowstone Park, and in Iceland. But all 3 places, geyser technology. Here, gas pressure. And look guys, look at that. No, you understand? For this one I still, I don't. Please be careful. Я вам показал, почему я сказал, что тут сейчас сразу. Видите? Не наступайте. Вот за крайний здесь. Это смесь морской воды, глины и нефти.
It's fascinating how it bubbles and the mud flows down the hill. It's quite cool.
Yarnadagh in Baku, and basically it's the fire burning mountain. The entire mountain used to burn at one point, and it's caused by a chemical reaction from the natural gas and oxygen in the region.
It's amazing to think that this entire mountain used to be in flames. That would have been pretty cool to watch. It's very hot as you get closer and stand near the flames. It burns continuously as the gas seeps through this porous layer of sandstone and comes into contact with oxygen. Thanks for coming along with me, and I hope you found this as fascinating as I did.